the 2025 Small Business Growth Masterclass, powered, of course, by Vodafone Business. Can I get a round of applause? Thank you all for coming so early.
We know that 97.3% of Australian businesses are actually small businesses.
They're thinking, what problem can we solve? What's a really interesting and funny way to tell it? Again, low production values. It's a guy sitting telling his story in front of a camera.
If I had my own small business, I want to know that I've got the best possible product I can buy, the best possible value that I can get.
Thank you so much for coming to the 2025 Small Business Growth Masterclass, presented by Vodafone Business.
Earn, spend, own as a business, and what do you owe? If you cannot tell me those four numbers, I do not think that you know your business well enough.
And what I'd love you to do today is at some point, take 3 minutes. Think about those 3 things and think about ideas that you can do to strengthen your business.
The number one global 5G network across 3,000 suburbs now, right across Australia.
What Jess has mentioned around doubling our network, which has only just happened this year, and we are absolutely so excited that we were able to do that. Reliable, secure, and value-driven service for our business customers.